Okay, where are you, buddy?
Over there.
You're over there in the shadows. We can't see you very well. Let's scout out this.
Need some privacy.
Scout out this property here. Remember not to pan too fast. Give everybody a headache. Yeah, so we're at Mactaquac Park. Where's Cooper? He's right there. You just can't see him. He's so black.
What are you doing?
See?
Go! Come here!
Where is he? You still can't see him. There he is.
A tongue wagging.
There he goes. Yeah. Oh boy, is he having fun. He is so happy. Yes, he is. He's can't wait to get to the water. Let's get to the water.
I don't know if you can.
Yeah. Down there in the edge.
Rocks. Just
Yeah.
to get in.
He got down in there though.
Did he?
Yeah. We had
No, swimming.
we had to go up a little trail there. Oh, this is probably not a lot of people over here right now anyway.
No.
Being Tuesday.
Maybe retirees.
Yeah.
Spend their summers out here, but probably not.
Yeah, there's not much.
People have to work still.
Yeah. Not as many.
Whoa, that's a sinkhole.
Not as many people taking these long vacations. No. Yeah, that's quite wet there. Yeah, it feels more like fall today.
Yeah. I love it.
Bathroom.
Oh yeah. I remember using that.
Yeah.
Wah,
Wow. Let's see what's going on over here. Bang, 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 bang.